So if you are facing problem that people from different countries are purchasing some certain products in a bulk. So in this video, I will show a step-by-step guide how you can solve this problem very easily. Before starting the video, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. So for this, I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify App Store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation. Then create a cart validation. Give a title, restrict specific products in different countries. Then add a new rule, add a new condition, select the condition, quantity of a product, then select the product which you want to add. I am selecting these two products, hydrogen and liquid. Then in operator, you have multiple options. You can choose according to your needs. I am using greater than and putting the value 5. Then add a new condition. In the condition, select country. In the operator, I am choosing in this list and then select the countries which you want to add. Like I am adding Australia and I am adding Canada. After that, add a new action. Select the action. In the action, you have two options: show your message on cart and checkout page and show your message on the checkout page. I am selecting the second ones. Then tap the default message here which you want to show, like you cannot purchase in this country. After that, active the status and save this. Now people from these countries like Canada and Australia, they cannot purchase these specific products more than 5 times from your store. So let's check it on the online store. By going to catalog, if I select those specific product which I added, and if I put it more than 5 times in the cart, and if I select any country which I added like Australia, and if I put any default address, yeah, then you can see the error message. And if I choose another product which I did not add it in the list, and if I add it more than 5 times in the cart, then you can see there is no error message because the country is Australia, but the product is different. So yeah, in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. So that's for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.